90% of people, when they have sex, don't feel good afterwards and or feel like the person is going to leave them. Their separation anxiety is really high. And not only that, their attachment styles are often disorganized. So they get detached. And, if you guys have heard of the attachment styles, I really recommend looking into it, like relationship attachment styles. Anyways, so hold on a second, let me go back. Someone messaged me. Yeah, so the handout's supposed to be, yeah, there. And I want to really get into this because I want you guys to walk away with actual skills. But I wanted to give you guys an understanding of where women are at subconsciously and to really go back and look at the embedded images that they're watching at a young age. Okay? And now with the current, awoke agenda, we see like Marvel comics. I'm kind of a Marvel comic junkie.